So let's see what is two-dimensional motion. Let's answer some question. Okay, for this equation, we use formula S equal to ut minus 1/2 gt squared. The displacement of this equation was given, which is 0.8, and its root of the table, so it's negative 0.8. For the gravity, it is constant value, which is 9.81. So the time is 0.4 seconds. For the second question, we use S equal to ut. We want to find the displacement so this is the answers.
A ball is thrown with speed of 20 ms at an angle of 37 degrees above the horizontal. It lands on a roof of a building at a point placed 20 meters horizontal from the throwing point. How high above the throwing point is the roof? So for the first step, I must draw this graph. So make it easy. So like it say, the 37 degrees. So it's gonna be 37 degrees on here, and this for the SI. And then for the speed is 20 meter ms. Okay, for the first step that I want to use is we must find US. So the US is mean 20 cos by 37. So the equal is 50.97. And then for the UY is 20 sin by 37. So the equal is 12.04. Okay, we need to find for the S. It means displacement. So S for the S is 24 meter. It was shown on here. So the formula is SS equal to US by T. So we're gonna put the number for the formula is SS is mean 24, US that we find here is 50.97. So we do know how to find T. And then the T is 1.5 S. Okay, and then for the SY, displacement of the SY is The formula is U y t minus 1/2 a y t cube. So it means 12.04 plus 1.5 minus 1/2 bracket 9.81 then 1.5 degrees. So it's be 2.02 meter. So that's all for the all thing matter.
So in this question, a marble traveling at 1 meter per second roll off the edge of the table. If it hit the floor 30 centimeter away from the spot directly below the edge of the table, how high is the table? So the question bring out the information that given in the question. U equals to 1 ms negative 1. The displacement is 30 cm. We need to convert it into meter. So we get 0.3 meter. So if the marble traveling at 1 meter per second and roll off the edge of the table, we consume that the table is horizontal, so it rolls at x-axis. So here the edge of table, x-axis, rolling down 0.3 meter. So we know that uy is 0 because traveling at the marble traveling at axis. So we get ux equals to 1, sx equals to 0.3 meter. We use the equation. Sx equals to uxt. We need to search for the time, so we get 0.3 equals to t equals to 0.3 seconds. Okay, we got this is the time. So we use another formula, sy equals to uyt plus 1/2 ayt squared. So transfer the information. 0 plus 1/2 negative 9. This is the constant value, 0.3 square. So for this question we got negative 0.44 meter, but the height cannot be negative, so we got 0.44 meter. This is the final answer of the question. The height of table is 0.44 meter. Okay, that's all.
Okay, so for the next question is, how fast must a ball be rolled along a 70 cm high table so that its roll off the edge, it will strike the floor at the same distance from the point directly below the table edge? Okay, for for more understanding, let's draw it first. Okay, this is the ball. So it said that roll along 70 cm. So it's go down here. It is so we must convert it to meter first. So it's 0.7 meter, and it's roll. It will strike the floor at this same distance. So it's 0.7 meter too. So this is x, and x, y. S is for displacement. Okay, we use the equation S equal to this for sy. The equation is uyt minus 1/2 gt square. Okay, so now we know that sy is 0.7 and it's go down, so it's gonna be negative. So 0.7, and the uy is 0, so we gonna get 0 for here. We just substitute here. Gravity is 9.18. We want to find the time, so when we use the calculator, and we can find the answer. So t is 0.38 second. This for sy, but the question asks us to find how fast must a ball. So we need to find the speed. It is u. So for x, we just use ux t because it is vertical. So when it is vertical, it doesn't have gravity. So sx is 0.7. We want to find the u, and t is 0.38. So use the calculator and you will get the answer. The answer is 1.84 meter per second. Okay, that's all. Easy, right?